of health or something. So let me first start with the first job link. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can drop in the chat box. I'm going to answer each and everything. And there is also a couple of questions that I already got in the group, so I'm going to answer all those questions as well. First one is there is a VAPT opening L1. L1 is basically for the freshers, and this is full-time role in Hyderabad. These are the couple of responsibilities that you need to do, right? You can check it out. Just pause this video and check out all those things. Required qualification is all what you are seeing. Experience is 0 to 2 years of experience is required, and basically preferred skills are knowledgeable of PTES, NIST, and all those things. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and if you are not going to get any reply, then you can just drop a message on this WhatsApp number, right? So that they can respond to you. Next one is hiring for GSOC team in Hyderabad as a security analyst L2. There is three position L1, L2, and L3 in SOC. Basically, L1 is the fresher, L3 is the experienced one. So if you want to apply for the in L2, they want around 4 to 6 years of experience. Another one dot aditya.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Right, looking for a VAPT with 6+ years of experience. Cybersec IT is the company. They are looking for someone those who can work on site. Right, so if you feel like if you can work on site, then you can apply for this job role. And this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. You can see all the things like what are things they need to do. Next one is again Bangalore locations. Freshers opening is there, VAPT opening is there, intern and fresher Bangalore, right? Key responsibilities are web application pen testing and all those things. This is form that you need to fill out if you want to apply for this job role, guys. And in short, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, then you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/TCI. It's not a promotion. If you want, you're willing, then you can do, right? This is, by the way, for the freshers. So if you have basic knowledge, you can join, right? Next one is senior pen tester tester role. Mobile application pen testing and all those things are there. 5+ years of experience in here. Cobalt strike knowledge should be there. And moneypond dot refilalo at castasoft.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? And yes, location is South Africa, as far I know, as is South Africa. Next one is again there is a opening in Bangalore, right? Mumbai, Delhi. Okay. Experience required for the Bangalore is 4 to 8 years of experience required. AppSec is the opening that they have 3 to 5 years for Delhi and 2 to 6 years for what you say this one Mumbai, right? Now education should be MCA, BTech, and all those things. Monica.tyagi at securious.net is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Now next one is walk-in drive. Okay, you need to go to their office. This is location which is in Thane West. Company is Pro Tech Magazine. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is the timing on which you can visit. 29 November is the date on which you can apply, right? How you can apply? You need to register via the link, the caption. I'll drop the link if you want, if you're willing to apply, right? EJPT and CH is the mandatory requirement certifications. That's all for today. Thank you very much. We have two channels, VIH Group and Cyber and Coffee. If you want, you can apply, right? And vihgroup.com/TCI is the if you want to learn about web application pen testing, and web SOC is for if you want to learn about SOC, right? vihgroup.com/SOC, right? Now we have a very quick question: how to get into cybersecurity job in Dubai with having 2 to 3 years of experience? So we got a very excellent reply from one of our group member whose name is Bharat. Yeah, very excellent guy. I don't know much about him, but he is one of the most active member that we have in our job community. So he said, "Just expert Paramount System, Ardent Technology. They are hiring a lot in Middle East. I am Archer developer, so every month get call from this company. If interested, let me know in this one." So you can drop a link, right? And even if you wants to apply, I hope strongly recommended to follow all this company. But guys, I'll tell you very frankly, if you want to work in Dubai, Indian market is all about like if you don't have much knowledge, if you get hired, then basically, all right, you can work, right? But Dubai, US, UAE, it's all about they need actual skills, right? It's not like you don't have any idea, you learn all those things. It's like you should have knowledge. So that's what they have. So I recommend you to work in India at first if you want to work there. That will be the best approach. So that's why I recommend you. And I recommend you to just follow out all those companies if you're looking for a job. And even if you want link for our group where you can get some job links, so just drop your message. I'll send you the group. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. There was very less people. No ways, no worry. Thank you very much. Have a great day.